In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted website on Wix using manage.wix.com. Whether it's accidental deletion or you just changed your mind, restoring a site is a straightforward process and we'll walk you through it step by step. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. It's usually your starting point for managing all your websites and accounts. If you're still on the login page, make sure your credentials are handy since accessing your account is essential before you can restore anything. Now, once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and look for an option labeled Sites. Under this category, you should find a section called Trash or Deleted Sites. This is where Wix temporarily stores your sites after they've been deleted. Essentially, it acts as a safety net, allowing you to recover your work if needed. After navigating to the trash section, you'll see a list of your deleted sites. Scan through this list to locate the specific site you wish to restore. Once you've identified it, click on the site to select it. You should see an option labeled Restore somewhere on the page. Clicking this will start the recovery process. Wix has designed this to be as straightforward as possible, ensuring you can bring your site back with just a few clicks. Once you've clicked on Restore, a prompt will likely appear asking for confirmation to ensure you're certain you want to recover this site. Confirm your choice by clicking on Restore site. This step is crucial as it verifies your intention to move it back from trash. The system will then attempt to restore your deleted site. Depending on the size and content of the website, this process might take a little time. So be patient. You'll want to make sure not to refresh the page or navigate away during this stage. After the site has been restored successfully, you'll find it back in the main list of your active websites on the Wix dashboard. From here, you have restored access to all its functions, and you can go on to make the necessary edits or modifications that you need. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly back up your sites to prevent loss. Wix offers several backup and recovery options, and being familiar with these can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Thank you for watching, and now you're set to restore any site from Wix should you ever need to.